Okay, today you guys, I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and clear up your lenses. We're gonna go ahead and grab some sandpaper, 3 different type grits, some soapy water, and go ham. I purchased this at an auto body shop the other day. 2K clear, it's a 2-part. All right, that's the driver's side, which is the worst. This is the passenger side. Need a T30 star drive. Remove this screw. After those are removed, the headlight should come out. Side marker bulb. You have this clip. Squeeze, pull out. This one, just turn and pull out. There's your headlight. Same with this side. All right, that's the passenger side and that's the driver's side. We're gonna use 400 grit, then we're gonna move over to the 600 grit and a 1000. But it's totally preference on what you guys want to finish with, either a 1000, 15, or a 2000. I suggest using a sanding block. Go ahead and wet down your headlight. All you want to do is start sanding it all one way. Now all we did was use the 400 grit. Now we're gonna move up to 600. Now you guys can already see the difference in the passenger side compared to the driver's side. This is what they should look like after you do the 400 grit. What they look like after the 600 grit. Now we got the 1000 grit. Wash them off real quick. Now that they're all cleaned off, you let them sit up here and dry. Now we just did a 400, a 600, and a 1000 grit sandpaper wet. So the headlights have been hanging out in the sun for the past 2.5 hours. I just started cleaning it with the Windex. You can use an acetone or even a some other alcohol, whatever you want to use. All right, this is preference. You can use 3M blue painter's tape to go ahead and tape off all the areas you don't want sprayed with the clear coat. All right, I've done 1 coat of 2K clear on them, and so far they look immaculate. They're not like brand new status, but they're almost there.